Hey everyone, hope you're bright and shiny, and I'm also in the pink. So today we will be talking about the map data structure. So what is a map? Map is a container. It stores values in a key value pair. So it follows a key value pair pattern, this architecture, and stores the values. And I have included some notes here. So the map is accessible by only keys, not by the index. Like in vector, um, we can access its any random access. We can access any random index. By that, we can access any value of that vector. But in case of map, we can only use the key as an access point, as an access source. So I will show you in the implementation. So, and each key is unique. So map sort the key in a unique way. So any duplicate key will not be stored in a map. So, and map is automatically sorted. So in ascending order, but we can also make it descending. I will show you that. And that's that. So let's start it. So as usual, we will follow the daily routine. So we'll use these operation on a map. So we will show you how to create a map, how to then access it, how to change elements, how to add or remove, and how to know the size, and how to know if the map is empty or not, and then loop through it and sorting the map. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to add the map header file. This is but bits and standard C++ bit slash standard C++ is already added, so these won't need it, even though these are needed, but for educational purpose I'm showing you that. And then declared the map keyword, then the angle bracket, and the name of our map. So in this case, I'm naming our map is my map. And in the angle bracket, I have to tell the key value pairs data type. So I'm taking a pair of string and an integer. So there you go, our map declaration is done. So if we want to initialize it with values, so then we can do it right after it, right with it. So for that, we have to use the curly braces, and inside the curly braces, we have to insert values in pairs. So yeah, let's say red is 22, then blue is 33, and orange is 65, then yellow is 90. So we have declared and initialized a map. Now I will show you how to change or how to access it. First, I will show you how to access, then I will show you how to change it. So for access, we can use the square bracket and the dot at method. So let's show you the square bracket first. My map. So first name your map. In this case, it's my map, then square bracket. And in the square bracket, we have to pass the key name of the particular elements that I want to access. That is, let's say I want to access blue. So I'm accessing it. The access is done. Let's say I want to print that value. So in this case, I am accessing blue and I'm printing it. So 33 will be printed, the corresponding value of that key. So let's run it. As you can see, 33 is printed. Now let's use the at Now let's use the add method to access. So let's use the add. Then name your, let's say I want to access orange. Now let's print it. It should print 65 after 33. There you go. Now I will show you how to change it. So as I have told you already in this, in the before, in the other data structure video, that first you need to access it, then you can change anything. So I'm going to access with these two formula, with these two tricks. So let's say I want to access blue, and I want to change blue's value to 400. And now if I print blue, it will print 400. Okay, let's use the add keyword. Let's say I want to change the red to, let's say, 850. So red will be 850 now. Okay, I'm not printing it, so we can't see. Let's print it. My map. Let's print it using the add. Okay, now let's run the code. There you go. After 400, there's 850. So I haven't added a end line, so that's why it's a bit confusing to you, maybe. There you go. Okay, that's that. Now I have shown you how to create, how to access, and how to change. Now let's add and remove something here. So to add anything, there's also two ways. I can use the dot insert method, or the I can also the square bracket method. I mean trick. How do you say it? You can also call this function though, dot insert function or method. Maybe usually we call method in Java. Anyway, so let's add some values. So name your map, my map, then add what kind of value I can add. Let's say olive, and I want to assign olive a value which is 499. Okay. So this value will be added after all these, after yellow. So how can I show it? So for that I have to use a loop. Let's use a loop for each loop. So auto. Let's take the value of my map and then see out. So since there are two value in a map, so key and the value of that key. So first I have to access the key in this case. So write the map name, my map, then use the key. You access the key, then in the space, then access the second inline. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, what do you think is the mistakes here? What do you think in these? So this is one of your task. Can you guess? Yes, right. I have added my map here, but instead I should have used the value here. So let's remove that and add the value. Now it should print the whole map. As you can see, it has printed. Okay, add a little inline here. Okay, so as you can see, after yellow, Okay, what do you think olive is? So olive should be after that, right? So why is it not there? Because in the beginning I have told you that it is sorted in a it is map is automatically sorted in a lexicographical order. So after B comes olive, after blue comes olive. So olive is added here. Okay. So I have shown you how to add, and I haven't shown you the insert method, right? Let's do that. Insert. Then inside the insert as an argument, I will pass the value, the pair, one pair. So let's say it's white, and let's say it's 290. So there's a typo in should be insert. Okay. So white should be also included. So as you can see, white is included here. All right. Now I will show you how to remove some of these. So to remove, we can use the erase method, and we have also a clear method. So erase, what it does is it removes a specific element. So if I want to remove the blue, this pair, so I have to just pass the blue, the keyword blue, I mean the key name blue, then this pair will be removed. And for clear, what it does, it clears the whole map. So let's show you how it's happened. So my map dot erase. What I want to erase, let's say I want to erase orange. Okay, so now if I run this code, you will see orange is removing, or orange is removed from here. So let's run it. So orange is not removed. So what could it be? So it's the same mistake I have done. So the name, I have to carefully look if I insert the correct name here, orange. Okay, it should remove now. As you can see, orange is removed. Orange is removed here. Okay, that's now let's remove the whole map. That is, use the clear method. So what is going to print now? For loop will print nothing because there's nothing to print because our whole map is gone. But we instead, what we're getting a typo. Okay. Okay, there might be something wrong with this. Okay, let's refresh it. Okay, let's rerun it. Okay, we're getting the same. So is this the map causing? Let's run it. So probably the IDE is causing it. Okay, it's run it. It has run it, so remove it. Let's remove all this code. Now, okay, now let's clear it. Clear the map. Okay, it should print nothing. As you can see, it has printed nothing, but since it's empty, we can't understand if the code is run or not. So So map, third. Let's run it. Yes, so as you can see, only map cleared is printed here. So there is it. Now let's show you how to know the size and know if the map is empty or not. The size and empty method. So for that, I'm going to my map.size. It should return the size in this case. What is it? It should return 4 or 5. Okay, today the ID is causing a lot of problem. I'm very sorry for that. There you go. There are 4 elements, so 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4 pair. And let's print if my map is empty. It should return a Boolean value, or you can say binary. Easily say. But the correct way is to say Boolean. Let's say run it. It should return 0. Okay, it has returned 0. And yeah, there you go. It's 0. So the map is not empty. But if I clear the map before it, then you will see it returns 1. Which, okay, there you go. This one. All right, that's that. Now I haven't shown you the sorting, right? Yeah, let's do the sorting. So it's already sorted in a lexicographical order. The key is sorted here. So we cannot sort the integer here. For that, what I can do is I can take all this value and insert in a vector and then sort that vector. That one way to go. But what I can show you that I can reverse this order. So for that I have to here a function which is called greater function. And here the key data type is string. So doing okay, there we go. If I now run it, yes, it has printed in a lexicographical order, but in a descending order. So Y is now in the beginning and blue is in the end. There you go. So that's all about map, basic map. So thank you for staying here. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, subscribe and give the thumbs up. And if you think there's some improvement, please comment below. I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much.